Subscribe asp.net tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos. Welcome to my channel asp.net tutorials. Welcome friends to Angular 6 tutorial series. So friends, today we have learned install bootstrap in Angular 6. So friends, let's start. In last video friend, we have learned reactive forms, and today we have learned install bootstrap in Angular 6. So friends, we have write a install command for bootstrap. I have already installed, so I am showing only commands, not install. npm install bootstrap. So friend, you can write this command and enter. So your project in Angular 6 already installed the bootstrap. And friends, we have show you all the bootstrap files in node module. You have checked it in after you install. You have checked the bootstrap files, all files showing here. So friends, you can see this after you install the bootstrap, npm install bootstrap. So you have created this, and friends, we have effect. You have write effect on project and using the classes. Friends, you have go to close this, and friends, you have go to the style.css, and friends, you have write this code @import and given a path. I will show you friends. In node module you can see this friend. Cancel bootstrap के अंदर एक disk and css main.js. So friends, you have import this path, and friends, we write first we have changing of this. It is a text align. We have write close this div close and save, and we have changes some this, and you can see this without changes. It will take the css by giving the proper CSS, properly giving the css. Okay friends, we have already and paste it. Okay friends, we have this, and we have write a br and save. And friends, it's not a refresh. NGS. It will be the refresh, and I will show you the changes using the bootstrap. It will a center align, it will left align. It will refresh. So friends, you can see this. It will a demo list and created, and do this and this, and I will show you already in last video. It will showing here. This is a bootstrap friends install and given a path and use this in Angular 6. I hope friends you like the videos. If you like the videos, friend, please like, share and subscribe. And latest videos update, press the bell icon, and for more information like my Facebook and follow on Instagram, Twitter and Google Plus. If you have any query, friends, you can ask me on comment or email, and visit my website, friends, www.asp.nettutorials.com. And thank you friends for watching videos.